Y'all, as a kid, we used to give these lizards right here a hard time. We'd just grab them by the tail and catch them. Where you going, man? I thought you was a Geico. I was just about to ask you about saving on car insurance. What's up, everybody? Chef Anthony Albrittain here. The Carolina cooking, tasting, and eating the Carolinas. All tree. Not three, tree. Y'all know what's coming. If you know the song, sing along.
Cooking is my specialty. Get dirty in the kitchen like ODB. Turning these groceries into delicacies. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipe. The Carolina cook got the recipes.
Okay, yo, in this episode, I will be doing something quick, simple, and easy. You know, you just got off from work, whatever the case may be, whatever. You crunch for time, or you just want to just have a quick meal. I got something for you. Mexican pizza. Cheese crust. Not bread. Not dope. Cheese crust. So we're going to get into this, man, no further ado. Mexican cheese pizza. Quick, easy, simple. I'm going to start by, I went to get ground beef, but I saw a weekly special on some fresh chopped sirloin steak. So, for only $3.55, so I went with that instead of ground beef. Thought that would be more interesting, so I'm getting ready to brown this ground beef. That'll be our first step. Okay, once you get your chopped steak or ground beef, whatever protein you using browned, add some chicken broth, about a half a cup. You can add water, but I'm going for flavor, so I'm choosing chicken broth. Once you put that broth in there, you just want to simmer it until it reduces. So at this point, we're getting ready to add our seasonings. Well, at this point, I'm getting ready to add my seasonings. All right, I'm going with a quarter teaspoon of chili powder. About a quarter teaspoon of paprika. Smoked paprika would be better, but I'm using regular paprika. Quarter teaspoon of cumin. I'm gonna add a little dash of salt. And a little dash of pepper. Quarter teaspoon of onion powder. And I got that body of, I got some body of tropical seasoning. You know, it's for like yellow rice stews and soups and stuff like that. But I'm going to add this to it. You know, quarter teaspoon on that as well. And that's that on my seasonings. Let's get this stirred around, and we're going to pretty much cook this until it reduces, until this liquid reduces. And, you know, normally I don't measure. But I'm going to measure to give y'all just a foundation, just a start. Then, of course, you taste as you go along and adjust your seasonings accordingly. So I'm just, with the measurements I gave y'all, it's just a start. Because it's better to under-season and bring your way up. Because you cannot take seasoning out if you over-season something. See, some of us got that natural built-in chef where we just know how to dash it in there and know by appearance and smell and stuff like that when it's right. Everybody don't have that. So some people want measurements. But to give some people a peace of mind, I'm just going to start y'all out with some measurements. And if you have to make adjustments and you don't think it has enough taste for you or not where you need it to be, then you go ahead and make your adjustments. All right, y'all see that reduction? That's a good reduction right there. All the liquid has dissipated from the meat. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Next order of business is to heat this skillet up. This is the actual skillet that I'm going to attempt to do my pizza crust in. All right, so we're gonna heat this skillet up and we're gonna add some oil. Then we're gonna add our cheese. Okay, y'all, to my skillet, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To my hot skillet, your skillet should be hot. Now, you want to add your 4 cheese blend Mexican cheese. This cheese is built for this heat. So let's add that to the pan. That's going to be our crust. All right, now that you got that going, you want to put some cheddar cheese on top. That cheddar cheese is going to be that second layer. And you want to take your spatula, form it into a circle. And this is your pizza crust instead of bread. Quick and simple. Then after this, we're going to layer all of our pizza layers on top of the cheese, slice it up, and serve. Now, there really isn't a big time frame on this cheese. You're pretty much letting it cook into a cheesecake until it's easy to slide or remove from the pan with the spatula. If it's not easy to remove from the pan with your spatula, then it has to keep cooking. See, it's able to slide. That means it's done. All right. So you want to slide it onto the skillet. Slide it onto your
All right, let's try that again. Let's act like that didn't just happen.
Okay, now I'm using a sweet and spicy salsa. Spreading it on just like regular tomato paste or tomato sauce on a pizza. Then I'm going to use some avocado here. Okay, now I'm going to add my chopped steak, the whole entire pan. Who doesn't love a meaty pizza? This takes meat lovers to a whole nother level. Now I'm going to add the 4 cheese Mexican cheese blend, then top that off with some cheddar cheese. And there you have it. Mexican pizza by an Afro-American. Afro-American Mexican pizza. But what I pretty much did was sprinkle paprika on it for color. Garnished it with some chopped cilantro, a little dab of sour cream with a jalapeno on top. And I garnished my plate with the other half of my avocado and some fresh cilantro leaves. Yeah, okay, say cheese, literally. Work it, work it. Work it. That finish and presented plate right there. Yeah, you see it? Let's get it. Now another thing you can do with this is hit it with some hot sauce. That hot sauce brings the flavor profile up even more. Thank y'all for watching. And remember, if you're not happy, until next time, you just might not be eating good. Liketh, shareth thou the love, and subscribeth unto my channel, and smiteth that notification button. Thank ya.